Hi guys, look, today I'm at Tom's place. Hello Tom, how are you? We think we're going to check everything he's done today. I wanna know. Let's start. Have you woke up early? He says, yes I have. I woke up at 7 a.m. in the morning. Brilliant. Have you washed your hands and face? Oh, he says, yes, I have washed my face, but I forgot. I haven't washed my hands. Oh, be careful with that. You cannot forget that. Always wash your hands and face, okay? What else? Have you had breakfast? He says, yes, I have had breakfast. I had some milk, eggs, and fruit. That's great, super healthy. Have you prepared your backpack by yourself to go to school? Oh, he says, I haven't. Look, I haven't prepared my backpack by myself. Okay. But remember, do it tomorrow. It's your responsibility, not your mom's or your dad's, okay? At school, have you done science class? He says, no, I haven't. I haven't done science class. I've done reading, okay, maths and English. Good job, I like that. And have you done physical education, like some exercise? He says, yes, I have. That's fantastic. Okay, to do exercise, it's very important for us. Very good. What else? Have you done your homework? Oh, he says, no, I haven't. He says, I need to sleep a little bit before. Okay, do it. Go to sleep a little bit and then keep working on your homework. Good job. Let's keep working on our checklist.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids! Okay, now again in the last activity about the present perfect. Remember that right now we are just paying attention to the way of asking questions by using it. We need to always put have or has. Yes, if it's for he, she, and it. Then the subject and then the verb in past participle. So let's go and do this together. All right, have you, number one, have you brushed your face already? So brush is the verb, but we cannot put it in infinitive. We need to put it in past participle. So the past participle of regular verbs is adding ed, brushed. So we put B-R-U-S. H-E-D. Yes, H-E-D. Brushed your face already. Then, and something else. If you want to paint the cute girl washing her face here, you can go for it. And paint her with crayons, markers. It's totally up to you guys. Yes. Done. You can paint the towel. Imagine that she has a towel on her head. Very good, like this. Well done. Great. So then, have you, oh no, I made a mistake. Yes, I'm sorry. It's not have you brushed your face already. It's have you washed. It's have you washed. So, we say here, have you washed? And have you brushed goes down. Have you brushed your teeth already? Yes? So have you washed your face and brushed your teeth? Wash and brush are regular verbs. So for past participle, we need to add ed. Now let's go for the number 3. And here we have the brush. I'm really sorry, I confused I confuse pictures and sentences. Have you brushed your teeth? So this is it. And now we just paint the toothbrush with this one here. Great, well done. Well done, great. Okay, then have you had breakfast? Okay, so if this is the verb we need to put in the third question, remember that have is an irregular verb. So we cannot say have it. We say had. Have you had? Have you had? It's an exception. Have you had? And you can even like paint it so you will pay more attention to it. Have you had breakfast? Yes. And then have you, okay, prepare. Prepared is regular. It is regular. So have you prepared? Prepared. And we add ed, your school bag. Yes, I have. And finally, the bed. Okay, we have make. Remember that make is irregular. Yes, is irregular. So make, we say have you made? Have you made? Have you made your own bed? And as this is also a irregular verb, you can even paint it like this. Great. So you have these pictures to paint them if you want, and you can go slowly and paint them carefully with beautiful colors. Yes. Well done. Well done, well done, well done. And here we have the leaf of the apple. Yes. Great. And see that you can paint the school bag and the bed yourselves. Yes? Good job, guys.